happiness all around. It's the time of festivals. What is festival? It is a lot of sweets, a lot of happiness, a lot of gratitude and a lot of joy everywhere. As you know that in Bosch we have always tried to give best of our products, which are the world-class products to make your life easier and simpler. We have launched a lot of new festival offers this time for our customers. It is a very unique offer which you can bring your old appliances, and then after bringing your old appliances you can exchange them with any of the Bosch product. And also we have launched very interesting combos, marriage combo, new house combo, festival combo, so many combinations of products what we have launched this time, so that you can really come and upgrade your home. So it's happiness all around. So this time also we have launched Har Din Muhurat campaign. When we say Har Din Muhurat, means happiness every day for next 100 days. So let's enjoy some good Gulab Jamuns. So these are the Gulab Jamuns. So अब गुलाब जामुन तैयार हो गए हैं, उसको चाशनी में से निकाल के we are ready to serve. Looks yummy. और ये स्वादिष्ट मस्त गुलाब जामुन तैयार. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. God bless and enjoy. Let me have one.